Ever wondered what actually happens during a heart attack? You might think it's sudden and unpredictable, but there's actually a step-by-step chain reaction happening inside your body. Let's break it down clearly. And here's why this matters. Every year, over 17 million people worldwide die from heart disease, and heart attacks are one of the leading causes. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs oxygen and nutrients. It gets these from blood flowing through tiny vessels called coronary arteries. Over the years, fatty deposits, what we call plaque, can build up inside these arteries. Think of it like grease slowly clogging a pipe. And here's the scary part, even people in their 30s and 40s can already have plaque buildup without knowing it. That's why doctors sometimes call it a silent killer. The narrower the passage, the harder it is for blood to flow. Now here's the dangerous part. If that plaque suddenly ruptures, the body reacts like it would to an injury. It forms a blood clot. But instead of helping, that clot can completely block the artery. Imagine someone stepping on a garden hose. The flow stops instantly. Without oxygen-rich blood reaching that part of the heart, muscle cells start to suffocate and die. And here's a shocking fact. Within the first hour of a heart attack, about half of deaths occur, often before the person even reaches the hospital. When heart cells begin to die, the heart struggles to pump normally. That's why people feel intense chest pain, pressure, or burning. Sometimes the pain radiates to the left arm, the back, or even the jaw. Other symptoms include shortness of breath, nausea, cold sweats, or dizziness. And here's something many don't realize. Women often experience subtler symptoms, like fatigue, indigestion, or back pain, so they might not recognize it as a heart attack right away. In fact, studies show women are more likely to delay seeking help, which makes the outcome worse. The longer the artery stays blocked, the more heart tissue is permanently damaged. Doctors often say, time is muscle. Every minute that passes, heart cells are dying. That's why calling for emergency help immediately is critical. Treatments like clot-busting drugs or emergency procedures can restore blood flow and save lives, but only if done quickly. So what can we do to lower the risk? Keep cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar under control. Avoid smoking, since smokers are 2 to 4 times more likely to suffer a heart attack. Stay active and eat a heart-healthy diet. These lifestyle changes may sound simple, but research shows they can cut your risk by nearly 80%. A heart attack doesn't come out of nowhere, it's the result of years of changes inside the body. The good news? Understanding how it works gives us a chance to act early. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos on how the body works.